back. All right. We got Matthias's motor out. It was a lot, so we stopped filming. So I'm gonna insert a couple clips here.
Damn,
Here.
it's stuck on your side. You gotta come up here.
No, there you go.
Why
I'm doing like what? So this is his old motor. It's blown. Not blown, but like he definitely had the rod knock of Jesus Christ because it for some reason still ran. So it's savable. This is a VQ35DE, but that is going to reside in this. So yeah, we got a motor, and plan with that is to get something in there so we can drive, and hopefully I'll blow this up, and then if all else fails, use the LS. But my dad was saying to sell the LS to fund this build, which makes sense because I could sell that and probably get the transmission for it. So if anyone needs an LS, I'll be selling that shit for like 500 bucks. It's a 4.8 with LS3 heads. It's got all internals. You just need to buy a crank. It has a crank, but you can use it if you want. I don't give a fuck. All right. No, dude, the seats go down. I didn't fucking know that. Come here.
How would you not have known that?
So,
all seats go down. Okay, yeah, very professional of you.
damn, shout out them Lion Sports, bro. Yeah, I don't really be thinking about things, okay?
It's vinyl?
Yeah. Yeah. Shout out Little Tires. Shout out Little Tires. We gotta get, look, speaking of which, we gotta get some layles for these. These are gonna get layles soon. Alright. We are be back to our side quest, putting mirror inside my girlfriend's car. Wait, where's my phone? Oh, that's nothing? Don't make fun of me on the video. Okie dokie.
Yeah, the wheels gotta go.
How to do their job. What's the problem, Dad? Let the car down. Let the car down.
Did.
Hey, quit taking my job. South Park reference, if you know, you know.
I don't know, but in the 70s there was a song called "Take This Job, Be Sure of It."
So that's what happened. Oh, what the
Watch out with your head, bro.
I think I made it. We became rich.
Yeah,
Between take the job and shove it and an achy breaky heart, man, I knew we were doomed.
Hey, Dad, I think this feels going on this one too, bro.
Yeah, that's right.
Good man, good man. Bill.
Would you look at that?
Alright, this is called the old wraparound. Yeah, that was gonna go around here. Put that shit right here. There you go. And now you got your center jack. And it should just swing on.
Hopefully, see what it does.
See what you do. At this portion of the video, it's called figuring it out. die. Wanna go on, wanna go ride. It's almost like I'm a genius. I got a condom on my finger. I'm a genius. Look at that.
Yeah, it's up in the air.
Well, yeah, I need someone to guide the motor. The fucking wheel ain't wheeling.
You gotta get a hammer and smack it.
What do you mean? This shit should be wheeling.
Well,
Wait, Dad, watch out. Dad, let me just.
dude, you're gonna drop this thing. You
Nah.
don't do that. 'Cause that's how it gets bent. My friend, that's why it's bent. Fucking guys.
He's pretty fucking. This man's like, yo, be careful with the O2, and it's bent as fuck. Powerhouse Matty. Oh, that's gonna be the title of the video. Oh my god, I stole Powerhouse Matty's motor. Damn, look at that. Huh? You wanna just seat it in the engine bay?
There's no room, dude.
Well, I wonder whose Corvette's in the way. Oh wait, Dad. Motor mount. Did he take all the fucking? Did he take the fucking header box? Stop filming if you like. Oh look what Cloud is. Cloud, what the fuck are you doing over there? Alright. Here's what we gonna do. Thing is, I don't have the rubber. I have just the metal.
It's either you put it there or you put it on the floor.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Should I put it on the floor to clean it, or should I just clean it in there? Take it apart. Did someone say steaks? Golden pony boy.
Set that on there and use that part to decrease the shit out of that thing.
Oh yeah. What, you want me to put that on dinner?
That's for other stuff, yeah, but you can put it on there if you want.
Oh my gosh. It's like I know what I'm doing, or I've done this before. It's like how many faces in one video can you
Most
make?
people think that what they see around here is junk. Not junk.
It's another man's treasure.
Well, no, these are tools.
Oh.
Everything's out here is a tool.
I thought people were calling us tools. You get what I'm? That's where the misconstrued comes.
There you go.
Oh my God!
I guess he needed the bolts, maybe?
That and
I know he needed the plug.
honestly, I think it was just to check how bad the fucking inside was, and it's pretty bad. If your oil pan has that much metal in it, it might be like this. And now we have a place to store parts.
See that?
Oh my God, dude. Fucking works! I had black gloves in here, but dude. Alright. Who the fuck needs heat shields, bro? I don't want these really, but she is. This weird one. Thanks, Dad. Alright, so I think I might leave cleaning the engine for a different video on its own. So I think I'm gonna end the video here because there's not really much else to really record. Shout out to Rain for filming. Thanks to my dad for helping me out. Big boss hog. Didn't need this shit actually, so fuck it. Alright, go. Damn, this is a strong part, dude. Alright, look, Dad, I'll put this, you tie it. Do the little loop thing. Do your, do this loop, like that one. And then you do the rope through it, and then you hunker it down like goddamn. Uh-oh, you already have one. Fuck, he's good.
There you go.
Fuck, he's good, bro. Do it. Am I part of the package? Alright, hold on, before you tie it in. There you go. That's what it is. That's what it is. It's a super loop. It's super loop. Oh, super. Thanks for asking. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
It's super.
Super.
Is that derogatory nowadays?
Alright, well I guess it's as good as time as any to end the video. Did the thing with my dad, girlfriend recorded, shout out Rain. If you like funny Fortnite content, go give her a follow. Yeah. We got a motor for it. So next step is find the trans. Right, Cloud? Yeah, find the trans, clean the motor, do an engine refresh. Little knickknacks, I guess. Like I said last video, I don't know. It's a beater, but I kind of want to do like a rough scuff. Maybe practice my painting. Get some of that dupa color from, or I don't know. Maybe find some better paint color. Order it offline. Work on. I don't know. It's a drift car, so like at the end of the day, like. Single stage coat with some clear, do like maybe 2 stages clear, do like a pretty dope color, something to kind of give it some zazz. I might go candy red, I don't know. I want a candy red car so fucking bad, like, candy red G35 looks so sick, but I don't want to copy that guy from Instagram. You get what I mean? That one G that I showed you with the red and gold. So, I don't know. Since I'm Blackheart, I might do something around that. Maybe like a black with like a pink pearl or something, kind of trippy. Because I wanted to kind of give the engine bay like a pink, but then CJ has a pink bay. So, or I don't know, I might just go basic and just fucking spray it black, you know. But then you lose shit when it's a black. But yeah, gonna end it here. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to follow the build. Shout out Leo Tires. They're really good people. I stand by that company. They're really about their drifters. So stay tuned. See you on the next one. All right.